So we came up with a read_restaurant function. What else is there? Well, next is to look for the list of restaurant names for the requested price. It turns out that this one is pretty straightforward. We have our price to names dictionary. We know the price that the user wants, and so we could just find out which names match the price. We got lucky. Our data structures happen to give us the information we need. What's next is, once we have the names matching the price, we need now a new list of restaurants based on that names matching list that serve one of the cuisines that the user asks for. Which of these variables contain data that is relevant to the problem? Well, the file is no longer needed because we've read it entirely. We don't need to know the price inside our cuisine filter function because we've already filtered by price. We do need to know the cuisines list. We also need to know the cuisine to names list so that we can look up information about each cuisine. And also we're going to need to know each of the restaurants whose names match to the price point. So the information is names matching. We're going to need to know cuisine to names, and we're also going to need the cuisines list. These are going to be arguments to our function, and what we're doing is we're filtering by name, by cuisine. This is going to return the final list of names of all the restaurants that are in the price range that serve one of the cuisines in the cuisines list. Now, this is the function we're going to write. Let's start it right here. And we're going to start figuring out what this function is supposed to do. So before we go any further with anything, let's build up some examples. We know we're going to want a list of names to filter by. We know that we're going to want to build up the cuisines dictionary. And we also know that we've decided that we want the list of cuisines to filter by. So we're going to create examples for those three things, and then we're going to call our filter by cuisine function, passing in the names, the cuisine dictionary, the cuisine to names dictionary, and also our example cuisines list. So at the $1 price point, these were the names of the restaurants that matched that price point. So let's use those as our example. We might as well come up here and grab our entire dictionary of, our entire dictionary of cuisine to restaurant names. Indent this a bit to make it easier to read. And the list of cuisines that we're interested in are Chinese and Thai. So we're supposed to filter this names list. We're looking for Thai food, so Queen Street Cafe, and we're also looking for Chinese food, which is dumplings or us. So when we call filter by cuisine with those three pieces of data, we expect this list back. We forgot our type contract. Names matching price is a list of strings, cuisine to names is a dictionary of strings to lists of strings, and cuisines list is a list of strings, and this function returns a list of strings. This function, again, is one that is within your abilities to do. You need to look through the list of restaurant names in this list here. You need to check to see if that any particular restaurant appears in any one of the cuisines listed in the cuisines list. So you'll go to the Chinese cuisines and you'll check to see if the name here appears there. It doesn't here. Then we'll try the Thai list and yes, Queen Street Cafe appears in that Thai list, so we will accumulate Queen Street Cafe in our result. Then we'll do Dumplings R Us, following the same algorithm. We will check to see if Dumplings R Us appears in the Chinese list, and indeed it does, so we'll have it appear in our accumulator. Deep Fried Everything does not appear in either the Chinese list or the Thai list, so it is not included in the result. Back we go. We've just done filter by cuisine.